Welcome back to day 3 of my Dollar Tree Halloween hacks. And today's hack is 100% all Dollar Tree. All of the supplies came from Dollar Tree. So these amazing glittered skulls, and they did come in more colors. I only bought the black, but I think they had purple and green, and they maybe had pink, but they light up. And I've decorated them with glitter glue, which was back near the crafts section. It wasn't in the Halloween section. And I bought all the colors that my Dollar Tree had, which ended up being 9. There might be more than that. The most successful colors are very rich, dense colors. These lighter shades, if you're picking and choosing and not getting all the colors, I would probably not get these. They show up, but not quite as much. And then I've colored the teeth in with these, they're called chalk writers, and they were in the craft section as well. I thought they were going to be like milk pens, and they weren't. They're almost like a wax crayon, and when I first used them I thought, they aren't going to dry, it's going to remain sticky. But they don't, they do dry. And what I did was I just ran along where the teeth are, and because the teeth are raised, you know, it just catches the very raised part of the teeth, so you see the definition. Voila. These came in gold, silver, pink, blue, white, and green is all that they had at my store. And other than the chalk writers, for the most part, I use these glitter glues. And they go on like cake decoration or cake piping, but they dry flat. So, I'll show you. They don't dry quickly though. So just this morning I did a little bit of an experiment, and I put some of the ones that I just put glitter glue on out in the sun, and it's helpful. So this actually could be a project if you wanted to do with your kids. Do it outside, and that way it dries quicker. It can be messy because it stays wet and raised. And what I had to do is sort of do the eyes on one and go to the nose on another, and back and forth. And so for that reason, I'm going to show you how I do it in time-lapse video. And you can, I'll put the pictures up like I did with my last video of the finished product, and you can see them in process. But you can do some really fun things with it. I think you'll really enjoy it. Again, Dollar Tree black skulls, Dollar Tree glitter glue, and Dollar Tree chalk writers. I hope you have a lot of fun. Happy Halloween.